MultiTech, in close collaboration with Tritium, have developed the Niagara Workbench module for management of LoRaWAN sensors on MultiTech BACnet-enabled gateways. While the MultiTech MT-Cap3 LoRaWAN mPower interface already supports adding and managing sensors, BACnet object mapping, and decoder and definition management, this new module allows all these functions to be performed on the Tritium Niagara Workbench client, or the Niagara web-based Workbench interface. The customer can now manage wired and wireless sensors, alarms, histories, and dashboards from one screen. The purpose of this video is to show you how to add the driver to Niagara Workbench. The process should be familiar to anyone who has added modules to Workbench before, but we will take you through step by step. Start by going to multitech.com and download the zip file from the address on the screen. When you unzip this file, you should see two jar files, MultiTech Gateway RT jar and MultiTech Gateway UX jar. Save then to a directory called MultiTech driver. The next step is to open Niagara Workbench. We're going to assume that a station is already configured and running. If you have not created a station yet, please refer to Niagara documentation for instructions. Next, go to Application Director and stop the station. Then exit Workbench. Copy the two jar files to the computer's Niagara modules directory. In most cases, this will be under the C:\Niagara for Windows or Niagara under the root directory on a Linux computer. If you are running a platform and station on a JACE or other hardware controller, relaunch Workbench, but make sure the station is not running. On the platform, open the Software Manager. Find a MultiTech jars among the files shown as not installed. Select both and click Install. After installing, the files will show as installed in the list. Restart the station. If you're running your station on a Windows or Linux computer, there is no Platform Software Manager. In this case, simply copy the jar files from their download location to Niagara Modules directory and restart Workbench. Then restart the station. Now that the module is installed, you can discover and add new MultiTech gateways to the Niagara BACnet database. To discover MultiTech BACnet gateways, make sure that the gateway has an IP address on the same subnet as the Niagara server of controller. Also, the gateway needs to be configured as a local network server. The gateway needs to be configured as a local join server as well. Make sure BACnet is enabled under payload management, and the BACnet name is filled and the correct port number and device object identifier is used. Finally, if you want to use MultiTech sensors, make sure the decoders and definitions are up to date by going to the address on the screen and downloading the definition update tool. Instructions for updating are found in this location as well. Let's add a MultiTech gateway to the Niagara database. Open your station. Go to Config, Drivers, BACnet Network. Click the Discover button. If the MultiTech gateway is on the same subnet and configured correctly, it will appear in the list of discovered BACnet devices. To add it to the Niagara database, simply drag and drop it into the database section below. You will see a dialog box that shows settings for this device. To use the MultiTech module, select MultiTech Gateway from the Type drop-down box and click OK. If you double-click on the newly added MultiTech Gateway in the nav tree, you can see its properties, specifically 3 settings and 3 menus that appear. The username and password should be the same as the account used to log into the gateway. The host name should be the IP address or DNS name of the gateway. The sensor definitions, sensor templates, and sensors menus are the same ones found on the gateway. Notice that the Niagara screens have the same controls, look, and feel of the gateway's mPower interface, making it easy to use either one for sensor management. Here are the steps to add a LoRaWAN sensor to Niagara using a MultiTech gateway. First, choose the sensor brand and model. After performing the decoder and definition update mentioned earlier, all current MultiTech sensors will be listed in the sensor definition menu. If you want to use a different brand of sensor, You will need to obtain the decoder and definition files from that vendor and click the Import button from the sensor definition menu. Once you have the appropriate definitions installed, go to the Templates menu. In this example, we're going to create a template for a MultiTech CT300 current sensor. Click Add. On the General Configuration page, give the template a name and choose the appropriate definition from the sensor definition list. Choose the class, default profile, and network profile for the geographic region you are in. The list below contains all the potential points that the sensor can display. You can choose to leave them as they are, or remove some, or rename them if you would like. When finished creating the template, choose Submit. To use the template when adding new sensors, go to the Sensors page and choose Apply Template. At this point, you can add one sensor by clicking Add. Enter the keys that came with the sensor. You can also add multiple sensors of the same type by choosing Import and selecting a CSV file that contains the device EUI. Join EUI, an app key for multiple sensors. Notice that Driver automatically starts enumerating new points starting with the first and used OD number on the gateway. When finished, click Submit. At this point, you can highlight the MultiTech gateway and then have Tree, click on Points, and discover all the points from the sensors you have added. These points appear in Niagara as if they're standard BACnet IP or MSDP wired points, allowing you to create histories, alarms, and dashboards. We hope this video has given you a sense of how beneficial the MultiTech driver will be to your Niagara workflow. There's also an install and user guide on our website for more detailed instruction. Please visit us at multitech.com for more information.